Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door retaining bar in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door retaining bar. The refrigerator door retaining bar is mounted on the fresh food door, and it helps to keep the food on the shelf. The main reason to replace it is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, I need to open the fresh food door. To get an old retaining bar out, we need to push it up at the side. And the same thing is here. And now we can remove it. This is the old door retaining bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, here we got the new retaining bar, and it's gonna go into this groove here with this portion locking in. And both sides, we're gonna bring it in and push it down. And now, when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.